Sup guys, so in this video we shall look into the next data structures in Python called as dictionaries, and dictionaries are the first data structure that we are going to look into that do not have system defined or pre-defined indexes or indices. So how to access the values? So before that, let us understand how do we store the values. So in dictionaries, we store the values in something called as key is to value pair, which means something like India INR. This is called as the key with which you can access this value called as value. All right. So how do we create dictionaries in the first place? Let us say currency dict is equal to, we use flower brackets and we write our data as keys to value pairs, wherein our key is a string in this situation, and similarly. All right, so this is our dictionary. Let us check the type of this data type, this variable. Type of currency dict is dictionary. Okay, now there are a few rules in creating dictionaries. First one is the keys of a dictionary can not be repeated. Now I'll ask a question. What will happen if the key is repeated? For example, in here itself, I'll write again Oman is to. Now what do you think will happen with this dictionary? Will this throw an error? It will not. What is happening then? Let us try printing this currency dictionary and then check what is happening. We have the instance where the key is Aman, but the value is Riyal, which is this one. This has been lost, which means whenever a key is repeating, the last value that is associated with that key remains. This is regarding if the keys are repeating. Alright, now let us try to create a dictionary with a list of currencies. Let us say list of countries: India, USA, values containing again list of their obviously subsequent currencies. Okay, but this will throw an error. Now what is it telling? Type error unhashable type list, which means that the keys of a dictionary can only be immutable types. The immutable types that we have seen until now are strings, tuples, and integers, or you can simply say numbers. Yeah, leave that syntax error. So now let's create a dictionary with such keys. New dict is equal to, the first thing we'll say name is to Python. We shall create a tuple packages comma modules. Okay, the value can be of any type. The restrictions are only on the keys. of a dictionary. Alright, so in the values I'll say package I want to use uh, math OS. Okay, and the other one is numbers. So 2 is to, this can be again anything. 0 plus 5 J R new dictionary. So these are the restrictions on dictionaries. Now since we have seen creating a dictionary, let us see how to update the values of a dictionary. Simply new dict dot update of, I will pass in the parenthesis a dictionary with key and a value that I want to update. So now my new dict has, okay, I given the same thing. My new dict has 2 is to 6J. So if I want to remove any value from a dictionary, I can say new dict dot pop off. If you do not give any argument, this will throw an error. This has one, this takes in one compulsory positional argument, which is the key of the dictionary that you wanted to remove. For example, I will send 2. It has popped up the value, and now let us check our dictionary. It is not having this element, right? And similarly name, we are left with just this. All right, now on the same dictionary we have a pop item function for which you don't have to pass in any argument, and this will return any one of the elements key and value as a pair of a tuple. Now our new dictionary is empty. Alright, so this is how we create, update and delete values from a dictionary. So in the next session we shall look into accessing values from a dictionary using some iterators, using some built-in methods. Alright, thank you.